Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at Tallulah Falls State Park in North Georgia. Today we'll be doing a 3 to 4 mile hike down to Sliding Rock. It does require a permit, so get here early. They only issue about 100 per day. It's about 10:30. I was lucky to get in and out pretty much right on the trail. So let's keep moving.
Staircase is Sliding Rock Trail or Gorge floor. Flip-flop Crocs or similar shoes are not approved footwear.
Okay, so this is a very strenuous hike. I've been climbing over boulders, I fell in the water, and now I'm still scrambling. Definitely wet, so make sure you bring some water shoes as you will be in the water. Let's keep moving. As you can see, it's just boulders. It's straight up, about a quarter mile. This is one of the most challenging hikes I've ever been on. All right, so it's Metro coming to you from the Sliding Rock Trail. On the way back, it is intense. I'm talking straight up 800 feet and nothing but boulders. You're scrambling. By far, this is probably the most difficult trail I've ever done in Georgia. So keep that in mind when you come to Tallulah Gorge or Tallulah Falls, because it's awesome. Let's keep moving. All right, so that's that. That was a very vigorous trail. Tell you what, if you've never been to Tallulah Falls, the Sliding Rock Trail is going to be aggressive, very strenuous, so come prepared. Bring the right footwear. I'm telling you what, no matter what, you're gonna get wet and you're gonna feel the heat and you're gonna feel the struggle of that last incline on the way back. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.